Previously, we had a limitation when it came to encrypted databases. Only certain operations were allowed, but we had a little feature gap. And the reason for that was that AutoUpgrade didn't have any functionality for storing sensitive information, like for instance, the database key store password. But we've changed that. Now, AutoUpgrade has its own private key store that it can use to store sensitive information, like for instance, the database key store passwords. What better way of showing you this new functionality than a demo? So let's just jump right into it and I can show you the new cool functionality. I'll show you how to do an unplug-plug upgrade of a PDB from one CDB to the other. In my source container database, you can see in my PDB that I have an encrypted tablespace. This is my AutoUpgrade config file. I'm unplugging from CDB1 and plugging PDB1 into CDB2 where it will be upgraded. And because it has encrypted tablespaces, I'm specifying this new global.keystore parameter. Now let's try to do a pre-upgrade analysis to see if I'm ready to start the upgrade. After a while, the analysis completes and I can check the summary report. Oops, there is a problem. There is an error in the check TDE passwords required. Okay, makes sense. I have encrypted tablespaces. So let's dig into the pre-upgrade log for some more details. I scroll down a little and I find the before upgrade required actions. I must add the database key store passwords for the source and target container database. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll start AutoUpgrade using the load password command line option. This is the first time I do that. So in order to generate an AutoUpgrade key store, I need to specify a passphrase or password that protects the AutoUpgrade key store. Once I've done that, I can start to load in the database key store passwords into the AutoUpgrade key store. Then later on, when needed, AutoUpgrade can fetch the database key stores from the AutoUpgrade key store. I've input my two passwords, so now I save them into the AutoUpgrade key store. Now let's try to redo the analysis. AutoUpgrade detects that there now is a key store and it prompts for the password to open the AutoUpgrade key store in order to read the database key store passwords. Now the analysis has completed again, so let's check the summary report. And this time all is good because I have input the database key stores. There is nothing preventing me now from starting the upgrade. So let's do that. Restart AutoUpgrade in deploy mode. Again, AutoUpgrade wants to read from the AutoUpgrade key store and it prompts for the password that protects it. Once I've input that, everything should start. Quick LSJ. Looks fine. So let's just skip ahead in time. And now the PDB has been upgraded. Yeah, but let's just verify that. I reset the environment to the target container database and connect to the database. In my PDB, I'll just try to create a new encrypted tablespace just to ensure that everything works as it should. And as you can see now, I have users tablespace from before and the new users2 tablespace that I just created. With what we just saw in the demo, I can say that AutoUpgrade now fully supports transparent data encryption. There is a small niche area when it comes to transparent data encryption in container databases. It's called isolated key stores. It was recently backported to 19C and we haven't yet implemented full support for that feature. But it is a niche functionality, and I expect that most of you are using the unified keystore mode, which is fully supported in auto upgrade. But if you are looking at using isolated keystore mode, you should watch out for one of the coming versions of auto upgrade where we will implement that as well.